if you're looking for the perfect family destination, multi-generation family destination, if you're a new snorkeler or you want something that's not too far away, then this is a video for you. Ha ha! Nailed it! It's only taken 5 times. Right, let's get to the movie. I should point out, I have recorded this now about 6 times, and even the intro it took about 8 times to do, and I think I said movie at the end. Let's get to the movie. I didn't mean movie, I meant video. Anyway, hello, Jay Leshark here. Welcome back to another 5-star marine island adventure. Today, we are taking a closer look at a destination that's perfect for families, first-time snorkelers, or anyone just looking for a relaxing day on a beach without going too far from Phuket. Yep, you've guessed it if you've read the title. We're heading to the stunning Khai Islands. That's right, Egg Islands. That's because Khai means egg in Thai. Anyway, Khai Islands. This is, honestly, Phangalan Ding Dong's really hungry, so I'm going to make this video go as long as possible because it's lunchtime here in Thailand and you should never take a Thai away from their lunch. As you'll see behind me, or over there, all the Thais are having lunch already from the office. It's still early, it's not even 12 o'clock. Anyway, just 15-20 minutes away from the 5-star marine pier, which is right here at Boat Lagoon, are the Khai Islands, made up of 3, that's right, 3 unique spots, each one offering something a little different, and the best part, they're super easy to get to and even easier to fall in love with. Love! I love eggs.
That's what she said.
Eggs are good for you, good protein. Right, let's break it down. First up is Khai Nai. Now this is your family-friendly paradise with calm, shallow water and snorkeling right from the beach. Khai Nai is ideal for the little ones or the really old ones, you know, the doddery old ones. That's my old impression, I think. Anyway, that's probably oldest. I'm the oldest. Anyway, it is a beautiful, beautiful place. There's a beach there full of colourful tropical fish, and you don't even need to go far to see them. In fact, you can just put your snorkel and mask on and put your head in the water and you'll see them. That's how good it is. And if you get hungry, like Phangalang Ding Dong is behind the camera, then yes, there's food. You can grab a fresh coconut, some grilled corn. The grilled corn's really good, by the way. Or go big and bowl with some barbecued seafood from the beach stalls and bars. And don't worry, there's beach chairs and umbrellas too, so you can chill in the shade while the kids splash around and look at the beautiful tropical fish. And you can even have a drinky poos, or 2 or 4, depending on how you want. It's up to you, really. There you go. Next stop is Khai Nui. Have I said that right? She's nodding, that's good. Now, this little island doesn't have a beach, but what it does have is some of the best snorkeling straight off the back of your private speedboat. Like one of these speedboats. Lovely, aren't they? The coral is vibrant and the marine life is incredible. Think of it as your personal floating snorkel stop. Now, Khai Nui is where I filmed the Snork with an L video that got really good views. Here's a little clip of it, Snork with an L, lovely. And it's also where I did a video where I tested out the snorkels and masks, which was, both of them were filmed there at Khai Nui. It's a good little spot. You can just drop the pick in, that's anchor for those who don't know, and you go off snorkeling off the back of the boat. Really lovely. Right, so that's Khai Nui. No beach there, by the way. And last, but definitely by no means least, is Khai Nok. Is that right? Khai Nok or Nook? Nok. Nok. She's nodding. This island gives you the best of both worlds. Snorkeling and serious chill time. Now there's a nice stretch of beach for lounging, a great spot for snorkeling right off the shore, and more space to soak in the tropical sun. Nice. Now whether you want to relax, explore the underwater world, or just enjoy an easy fun day with family and friends, then the Khai Island Private Boat Tour ticks all the boxes. That's right, it does. So, if you're short of time, or you don't want to go on a long boat trip, or you're traveling with kids or multi-generation family, that's old people by the way, or you just want a stress-free island experience, the Khai Islands are calling your name. And with us here at 5-Star Marine, that's who we are, we can customise and make it a more flexible and tailored trip just for you. So you don't have to leave early, you don't have to leave late, you can leave whenever you want. It's only 15-20 minutes away, it's perfect. Got it? Good. I like the Khai Islands. They're very, very nice. They're lovely. You should go on that tour. Or if you're going to James Bond or if you're going to PP, you can even stop there on the way all the way back as well. Up to you. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Right, thanks for joining me, Jay Leshark. That's me on another awesome adventure. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that belly thing, because apparently all that makes a difference to our views and stuff when we start making money out of this. I'm not sure we'll ever make money out of this, to be fair. With this face, it ain't gonna make any money. We should put Fang-a-lang-a-ding-dong on. Do you wanna see her? She's lovely. Anyway, she wants to go eat now because it's in her face. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh.
Don't stop moving, baby. Oh, your booty drive me crazy. Let me see you. Wiggle, wiggle. Little louder. Wiggle. Are you really going? Looking for a... Brilliant. Oh, Jay, just get it out. Stop doing shit. You can't do it properly. That's all they ever do. Eat, 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 eat. It's not even 12 o'clock, Miguel. Look. Told you Fang's food just turned up. All of this is hers. She's hungry today. Look at it all. Mmm, yummy.